Hi my beautettes, welcome back to my channel. So I know that you can probably see from the title, this is going to be a how-to, and these are the products that we're going to be using for our how-to, which is the alcohol and a flat surface, which I was using my red butter knife. Here I have my PIXI package, and I wanted to come on and show you beautettes because I just received this is so beautiful. I love PIXI quotes, and they're just so inspiring, and they motivate me. So shout out to you, PIXI. Y'all are the bomb.com. Now, these are the brushes that are coming in the brush case. They are so beautiful. I believe there's 3 of them. And yeah, these are for our eyeshadow look. But before I do any looks, I wanted to come and film this quick tutorial because I wanted to show you my broken eyeshadow. I know it came a little damaged, but no worries, no sadness. It will be fixed and brand new like nothing, and it'll be back together again. So I just wanted to come and show you beautettes. How does it, the way it looks damaged and before I fix it, so you can take a look at also the beautiful shades and see how beautiful they are. So I just wanted to show you, look, this is a broken eyeshadow, and we are going to fix it. So I'm going to take my flat butter knife because it has a flat surface, and that's what you'll be needing, something with a flat surface, whether it's your finger or an object that's flat. Flatten it all out, all around the pan. Make sure it's all smoothed out nicely and evened out. You want to even it out. And then I'm also going to be using alcohol. Now, you're supposed to be using 70% alcohol, like, you know how they said the percentages on the alcohol. But the one that I had was 50, and it was just going to have to do. So after I even this out, I'm going to show you that I will spray it. You want to spray or pour a little of alcohol right on the eyeshadow and its pan. Okay, this is how it looks before broken. And now I'm going to spray my alcohol onto the eyeshadow. As you can see here, that's what I'm doing. I'm spraying it upon this beautiful eyeshadow, and it'll be fixed in no time. So yeah, just make sure that you have your tools ready, so that way when you get ready to it, you can do it. Now I'm going to also you're also going to need like a bounty after, or tissue, something just, I would say, according to its size. I tried to get a little bit smaller, but that's what I'm gonna work with. So I took a piece of bounty and I just folded it and applied it right on to my shadow. So you want to apply your dry bounty, your dry tissue on your makeup product, which mine is the eyeshadow, only one. And I'm just gonna put this on. Now you could use a flat something circle to actually, mimic the same thing. I could use this, but to really make it really even and coming back to life again, I'm just gonna go and use a quarter, because the quarter is exactly the same circle of the pan. This is good because it's circle and it's like smash. We're not actually smashing it neither, guys. We're not like boom 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 smashing it like that. No, we're just like doing little turns on it. But like I said, to make it more better and be more specific, I'm gonna use a quarter, and I'm gonna place the quarter on top of it, and I'm gonna do the same thing. You're gonna press on it little by little all around its edges, so that everything could be evened out, and also applying it out so that way it could be nice and even. So we're gonna let it a few seconds sit in, and now this is how it looks with it fixed. Yay! I told you, beautettes, it's going to be looking nice and fixed. So this is how it should be looking. So your product by now should be back together again. Even if you break your bronzer, if you break your highlighter, don't worry, sis. Do not throw it out. As long as you have these tools, which is the alcohol and a flat surface, or you can have a butter knife as well to even it out, and then have your paper towel. And I would definitely say put the quarter instead if you're having an eyeshadow or something like a mimic its shape. And thank you, beautettes, for watching. I love you, and I cannot wait to see you on the next tutorial. Bye.